Hey everyone, it's your boy just back. We're here in today's episode. We're going to be working on the upper half of our Kabota M4000 Revive. Let's get into it, shall we? As you can tell, I already went too far ahead of myself. Also, my camera was dead. And I still don't have all my equipment, which I am getting. And I'm in the process of doing it. Just have to wait for my next paycheck. So we're going to be working on the upper half of the cylinder head. We just pulled out. Me and my girl just pulled out just finished pulling out all the injectors, all the glow plugs. Fully disassembled this entire thing. Pulled all the valve springs off. Valve guide seals, got it all degreased, cleaned up, and now I just finished going through with like a little abrasive pad here. It's 120 grit, nothing too aggressive. These things are nice if you're doing any engine head repair, like me. I'm just cleaning up the cylinder heads, literally just cleaning up the gasket areas. Everywhere else. That pad is great. You can get those at your local auto parts store. Napa has them. You get a Napa. But so far, I just finished up. I also finished the back side here, as you can tell. This is all nice and cleaned up. All the gaskets, old gaskets off. All the carbon buildup, most of the carbon buildup. There's still stuff I still need to get, like right there. I still need to get through there. But as for now, this is what you call engineering, using your oil jug container crate as a cylinder head platform so you work on it. So we finished pulling those off, and we're going to be going through this episode, washing all the valve trains. We tested the glow plugs. I'm going to do a video on how to test your glow plugs very simply with just a set of batteries and a pair of jumper cables, even just some old wiring. So we're going to get through working on this right now. It's almost quitting time for me, but we're going to be probably in next video. We're going to work on the rest of the engine, getting this top of the block cleaned off, getting all the oil that was in the water galleries, getting all that out. Probably going to punch out one of these freeze plugs. I have it up on a jack, suspended a good distance. Tilt the engine backwards so that all the water, try to get as much water out, plus the ATF that was in the cylinder. So, excuse me. But we're gonna hopefully get that done in the next video, and then the rest of it is just disassembling, pulling off the rest of that, and just getting the rest of this built up. We're going to do a quick painting job once this is all put back together. I still have to go through all the electrical, get that fixed up, because it's all junk. As you can tell, I had to cut some wires. Oh well, we'll get to that eventually. We're going to be going through, but for right now, this episode, we're going to be working on getting all the valve train cleaned up. Gonna clean up the valve seats, get those set up. So I'm gonna stop it here. So see you tomorrow morning. And we're back. Good morning, y'all. So I'm back in the morning. So for today, let's get back to right now. We're gonna finish off the video. We're gonna work on getting the rest of the valves cleaned up, get all the glow plugs cleaned up. We have to replace 2 of them for sure. Get some new hoses, and then what we're gonna do is clean up the valve seats and the valves in the head itself using not using any rubbing compound, any of the valve rubbing compound. Now you may be wondering, Tristan, how do you do that? How do you set the valves without rubbing compound? Well, with a little help and a little luck and a little bit of comment, I'm going to be reseating the valves and cleaning them using Comet. I'll make a video on that with cleaning out and repairing injectors. Don't mind the garbage, that's not mine. I'm going to be cleaning out the injectors today. I'm going to make a separate video on that. But basically, all of today, we're going to be basically getting top of the head cleaned up and ready for reassembly. Oh, right there. Right there. There's the rest of the head. And then we're going to finish working on the tractor, getting the bottom end worked on. So, with that, let's quit talking and let's get rolling. All right, let's go. Always remember, safety first. Alright guys, so little update. Finished putting the head back together, slapped it on. Sadly, my camera battery was Dunsky's. It died on me, so I had to let it charge. So I got the cylinder head all put together. As you can tell, put all the valve springs back in, all the injectors. I still have a couple of glow plugs that are still needing to be replaced. I'm going to work on those probably Wednesday because I got school. I'm starting back up school next week. Hopefully, I can get this thing up and running by the end. Probably closer to running by next week. Those are my plans. So, still a lot to do on this thing. I still got to bolt it all down. I still got to clean the head bolts that are sitting over there. I got to clean all those puppies off. Right there. All those that look like tack. I got to finish cleaning off the rocker arm assembly. All those. So I still got a lot to do, but I'm nearing the end of at least reassembling the engine, getting it ready for firing up. Right now, I got an oil pan, draining out all the oil, all the bad oil. I got the oil filter off, which great for me. There wasn't a whole bunch of junk out there. I know. I just closed up. I'm closing up the shop. It's quitting time. Also, I have a few more projects. Not those guys. These three. These guys. So once I finish reassembling the head, I'm going to get the fuel system cleaned out. I'm going to pull the injectors out again. I'm pulling these things in and out again. Pulling them in and out. I don't know why. I'm going to pull all the injectors out. I'm going to hook up the fuel lines back up, point them out this way, put some Gatorade bottles on all the injectors, test the pop pressure, get some fuel running through them. I got some Cummins engineered diesel 911, I think. Yeah, it's like diesel 911 by Cummins, at least designed for Cummins engines, but it's a Kabota. It works either way. So we're going to run that through, basically fill the filter up with that. Let the injectors drink all that. Then we're going to put some more into some diesel and let that run. And then we're going to put some Lucas into the oil. So at least that will have some protection. Start getting that set up. So we're almost close. We're almost close to starting this. So go, come on, unfocus. No, wrong way. Other way. There we go. So we're almost done. Almost ready. Getting this thing started up. I'm gonna post this on the weekend. This weekend. I don't know why I said that, but it's in. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube video. Don't forget to check out the comments. Don't forget to put comments down below. I forgot to turn the comments on for the last one, so I'll go back and redo that again sometime. But thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Get notified new videos. I have two smaller ones up on the gonna get edited, and those ones are gonna be put in. But thank you guys for watching. This has been your boy Tris Becor. Thank you for tuning in to Motorized U.S.A. and have a wonderful day. Peace out.